This is what 38 million pesos can get you.
A 2-bedroom unit here in Park McKinley West.
Tara, check natin.
The size of this unit is 110 square meter. And dito sa living area, meron na tayong aircon and also meron din tayong access sa balcony.
Dito sa kitchen, kompleto na. Granite countertop with retractable faucet and sink and of course, up and down cabinets. Meron ka na ring 4 induction cooktop with range hood and may built-in oven pa.
Meron na nga rin pala itong sariling maid's room na may kasamang toilet and bath. And pagkalabas natin dito, meron tayong smart home panel and intercom.
Dito sa bedroom 1, may sariling aircon, closet, and access sa balcony.
This is the toilet and bath. What you see is what you get.
This is the master's bedroom. Sobrang spacious, kasya dito ang king-size bed, may aircon na kasama, may sariling toilet and bath, and may walk-in closet pa.
If you are really interested, please comment down below
Or message us directly. Thank you!